and the outward appearance, but we don't get the appearance. The good comes from within. I am good, look in. Take a good look in. Don't just look at our teeth, we are green or one bling. Look within. It's not the outer, it's the inner, it's not the exterior, interior. Hug yourself, love yourself, because the good comes from within. Don't look at a woman just for a feature. Look at her for your future, because behind some lovely features, there are some deadly creatures you don't know them reach you. Not because it's something pretty like drill. Behind it can be wicked and cruel, because them said the devil we're prouder, we have to get things in order. What you know, if outside look good, that's a plus, but when inside look good, that's a must. I'm telling you, that's a plus. But look here, don't look for Jesus Christ in the sky. You're gonna look until you die. See Christ in you and see Christ in high. That's how it applies. The characteristic bring about the mystic. If you're in doubt, you should look in and out. Look and don't listen to just one word coming out of one's mouth, because the good comes from within. Take a good looking, rat looking, bad looking, cat looking, a bird fly looking, it's weird looking. When you need good, you must take a good look in. Stop looking pretty teeth we are green and look and bling. Look within. Look how the people them look. No, right now, your hair is what? Your hearing. I remember, it's your antenna. You talk about frequency, it's a free currency. We need to have that currency, but the free one, not the one that you pay for, now you play for. Because the good comes from within. So it's not the suit make man look good, it's we make the suit or we make look good. That's why we don't go after just erection, we go after direction and perfection. I'm not innocent, but I need inner strength. That's when I go behind closed door with a woman. It's not just about sex. I go there and just read and just flex. I don't mean nothing next to sex. Every time I hear about sex, I get vexed. You know why? Because sex was made for procreation, but people use it and I'm mixing up the nation. So brother, if it goes about shagging and bragging, you're bound to get a flagging. You wait till you meet a woman who is nagging and you tag him and you find it hard to dispatch, because that woman you meet is a match and you have no way to catch. If you catch with her, my friend, she start to treat you bad because you're an eye top. My friend, she treat you like trash. So brethren, like the man will say about $4 to buy a piece of land in his homeland, so he buy a tractor shoes and a timberland, so he go trample the land, is the next King Kong. Then he met this nice attractive woman and looking at the woman out of attraction and lose his direction, get an erection, get a one night and catch infection. I start to wonder, where did I go wrong? I said, Brethren, you should love the woman for a good righteous mind, not just for a shape or waist or big behind. That's the reason why I get leave behind. Because a good woman is like a super glue. She's super true. When a good man get with her, stick with her, stay with her, now go astray, they don't play with her. She's not supposed to be looking for a teaser, but a pleaser, not a few man, but a true man. So when it comes to loving, she's not new to it. She's glued to it. She say true to it. You want a man who have a clout to it, she's going to show him the exit. That woman rub the man's head, and his sweetest moment become his weakest moment. The $4 him have to buy the land, she said, put it in my hand. If the idiot man put the whole money in her hand and forget about the plan. I said, next time before you get a slam, man, seek out your future plan. And this you go wrong. Start look within. Don't look at the pretty teeth we are green.